Hello everyone, Willie Siblings here, and again I have an item from Amazon Prime. We actually bought this for my daughter Serena because she really needs this for school, and I think she's having hard time using headsets or headphones or whatever. So she's been asking for this for quite some time. So we go on Amazon, we go shop online. We are Prime member from Amazon, so everything is free delivery as long as it says Prime. So we bought this product. It's an earbud. The brand is QCY. It says here, be creative, go beyond. And then this thing is like, it says here, true wireless earbuds. Of course, it's Bluetooth, and you connect this to your phone for you to use it. And then it says quick charge, and it says 4 mics for noise canceling. I don't know what it means, but probably I will ask my husband later. So I unboxed this, or I opened this 2 nights ago, and then I tried it, and guess what? It's actually worked. It actually works, and then it's pretty good. The sound coming from it is really good. It's whole, and not when you're using headphones, sometimes you feel that it's like the music or the sound is not. I don't know how to say it, but sometimes some headphones sucks. So this product comes with this, what's inside the box is this, and this USB cord. Inside the box, I will open the box for you. How you open this again? There you go. It's right there. It comes with the 2 earbuds. And then this box serves as the charger, and then you will use this. I wish they made this a little bit longer, but since my daughter is using her laptop, so she just plug it there and charge this earbuds. So I'm not a fan of earbuds because I actually use headphones. But when I try this product, it actually works, and I like how the sound comes out of it. And then when you're receiving calls, it's also good. So the name is, it's right here, QCY. It comes from Amazon. It is made in China. As we all know, most of the electronics are coming from China. But of course, it passed the quality control. That's why it's here in Amazon, and they were selling it on Amazon. So what else it says here? Oh, by the way, it also says that this product is also I saw the video from the Amazon clip. It says that this product is also waterproof. I don't have to dip this on water just to prove that it's waterproof, but this product really works. And then if you have kids that are they don't really care about their things, they don't know how to take care of the things that you bought for them, especially electronics. My daughter is using Android phone, so Android, you can pair it with anything, unlike iPhone, that it's for iPhone products only. But as we all know, Android phones, you can search anywhere, you can shop online and find products that's actually pair with that phone, or how you say it, there's a term for that, compatible. Yeah, that's the term, compatible. If you're using Samsung, most of the item like earbuds, anything that you want to pair with your phone, you can actually find it on Amazon. So we love Amazon. We are Prime member. We get everything, like all the things you can see inside my house, including the lights, they are from Amazon, because we love Amazon, and the service is really, really good. So this is the one, and my daughter Serena is gonna be using this. I tried it. I said, don't use it yet. Don't use it yet. I'm gonna do a review for that product so that I can have something to upload on my YouTube channel. So I'm not a fan of earbuds because I'm actually using a gaming. As you all know, I'm also doing a Star Maker. I'm actually using a gaming headset. So maybe I should do a review for this product as well. I got this from Amazon. This is a gift for Brandon. We gave this to Brandon like 3 years ago, I think, and he just, you know, started using it like probably a year ago. And if you all remember, you know, Princess Jeline sent him a gift, and we bought him a Nintendo Switch. So he likes using this also. So when he's using this, and then I want to go on Star Maker, so we're fighting. So I'm like, maybe I should get you another you know, another gaming headset. And he was like, Mom, we can always share, but you know, sometimes when he's using it, I can no longer borrow it, because you know, he don't like me bugging him when he's playing his game online. So that's all, guys. I think the price of this is $30, including the tax. So if you guys have kids that don't know how to really take care of their things, you know, try buying this product, because it really works. It's good. It's comfortable to use. I have a small ear. That's why I don't like, you know, sometimes it's hard to find earbuds that really fits my ear, because I have like a very small ear. But this one, I like this one. I also told my husband to try calling me and see if how this thing works, or how it connects to the phone. And it works great. If the product, you know, costs like $30 or less than that, I don't actually expect it to last. But this one, we bought this for $34, and this is like for how long already? For 3 years, and it's still working, and I love this. Maybe I should do a review on this product. Yeah, I think I said it earlier. I'm just prolonging whatever I'm saying right here. Just keep listening to me, because I want my video to reach 8 minutes. So I'm just gonna be talking here, but you guys should try this product. The brand is QCY. It's an earbuds, Bluetooth earbuds. You can connect it to all your Android phones. It comes with, you know, I already show you. It comes with a USB charger, charging cord. It's easy if you have like laptop somewhere sitting in your house, and you just plug it on the laptop, rather than looking for a USB port, because you know the thing is short. The thing is short, and you know, so it's easier if you have laptop or you have desktop, and just charge it there. So that's all, guys, for tonight, and thank you for listening. Oh no, thank you for watching, and special thanks to Princess Jeline USA Blogs. Thank you for, you know, patronizing. Oh no, thank you for watching all my videos. Thank you for introducing me to your group, and you know, they are the one that never left me, actually. I have Team Nanay also, and but you know, most of them are quite busy, and they were from Europe, and you know, sometimes the time sometimes, you know, when when I'm uploading or I'm doing live stream, they're actually sleeping, or it's really early there, or some of my friends here in the US are already sleeping, because you know, I do my live stream at around 10:30. So it's like that. So mostly all of the people that's attending my premiere is from Princess Jeline USA. So thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching me, and hopefully I can do more unboxing and review. We're quite busy as of now, because you know, we're preparing this house, and we're preparing the other house. We're gonna be doing inspection tomorrow, and then let's see, or we will see if there's some, you know, things there that's messed up, and we can ask the seller if he can fix it for us. That's how it is here. So guys, thank you again, and again, God bless us all, and see you again on my next upload. And my other one, actually, I'm so happy, because you know, of their response, of how you guys talk, of how you guys commented on my video. I actually love it. But you know, I'm trying to speak English. You know, I'm not fluent in English, but just because or it's because, you know, the product is here in the US, and most of the people that's buying online or buying from Amazon are from the US, because, you know, Amazon is located in America. So I'm trying my best to speak English so that, you know, my viewer or some viewers may understand me. I cannot do a Tagalog. I cannot do Tagalog because, you know, because I cannot do Tagalog because you know, most of the people buying this product is from the US. So hopefully hopefully this video, you know, they might find it helpful. If not, well then, bye. Okay, thank you everyone, and see you again. God bless us all. Bye.